there'll be a cop here in like 10 minutes or something like that. What's up? I know. This is where I used to come all the time.
Sit-downs to jumping to stand-up.
Yeah.
Just got its second try.
Oh, really? Shit. Okay, okay. Easy work. Yeah, I feel like my foot brake's failing me slightly.
Yeah, I know that feeling.
Yeah. Have you tried those the .26 foot clutch ups?
I can't with my handbrake.
Oh yeah, it's definitely in the way. I can't even I can barely get up there.
Yeah. Start being a tall ass dude.
On a tiny little bike.
Tiny little bike, yeah.
Yeah. No?
No.
Huh. Yeah, that one felt a little better.
Yeah, that one looked good.
Look at my chain real quick. Sounds good to me. Not bad.
It's good to get back into it.
Yeah.
Like riding consistently again.
Yeah.
I feel like last time we rode together till today, I'm riding like a little bit better.
Yeah, yeah. It looks good.
Yeah. I waved to that guy and then he waved back, so we're straight chilling.
Oh, gotcha.
Whenever I'm riding somewhere, I always wave to them, and if they wave back, that's like the, yeah, you're good.
Yeah, yeah.
Now if they don't give you a dirty look.
It's probably because you were actually able to do stuff. Last time I was here, I was doing like 2 foot like clutch ups, and
dude, I know that feeling.
they're probably, what the fuck is this kid doing here? This might be somebody. See, I don't know if this is anybody who works here.
No, I think there's nothing to
No. No. See, I never know who these people are.
It looked like a Top Tahoe from all the way down there.
Yeah, I can, because they come in this way, I can never tell. Usually if somebody pulls in, there'll be a cop here in like 10 minutes or something like that.
Oh, really?
Most times, yeah. Two out of the 3 times I've had cars come in, there's usually a police officer that'll drive in.
We wait like 10 minutes then? Because then we aren't doing wheels in front of the cops, you know?
Yeah, that's true. Let's see what we can do.
What?
You got an audience.
Yeah, I think they'll like it.
Okay. I'm doing the same like drill when I was learning sit downs, where I just pop it and brake just so I can like make that a habit. But it's getting a little comfortable coming up.
Yeah, it's weird at first coming up how like, the bike feels like it's swinging out from under.
Yeah, it's a little weird. Just hit the fucking brake.
Hottest stash in the carpet. Yeah, we trapping out apartments. I ain't done when you start shit.